तो भाई आज डेट है 28 मार्च 2026, दिन है आज सैटरडे का। 2 दिन छुट्टी हो चुकी थी नवरात्र की, उसके बाद आज ऑफिस खुला है। सब बढ़िया चल रहा है, ठीक चल रहा है, एवरेज चल रहा है, सब जैसा चल रहा है सब सही है। आज हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं नेशनल सॉन्ग ऑफ इंडिया से रिलेटेड। एक ऑर्डर आया है तो उसी के संबंध में इसमें लिखा हुआ है, द नेशनल सॉन्ग ऑफ इंडिया इज प्लेड और संग ऑन वेरियस ओकेजन्स। द फॉलोइंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर बीइंग इशूड for general information and guidance on the official version of national song. The occasions on which the song is to be played or sung, and about the need for paying respect of the national song by observance of proper decorum on such occasions. अब हम लोग द नेशनल सॉन्ग का ऑफिशियल वर्जन सुन लेते हैं एक बार पूरा। द सॉन्ग ऑफ वंदे मातरम इज रिटन बाई श्री बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, इज नोन एज नेशनल सॉन्ग। द लिरिक्स ऑफ द नेशनल सॉन्ग वंदे मातरम आर एज फॉलोज। वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम शुभ्रज्योत्स्नाम पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदल शोभिनी सुभाषिनी सुमधुराभाषिनी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं। कोटि कोटि कंठ कला कला निनाद करले कोटि कोटि भूजैर धृत प्रकर वाले के बोले मतुमी अबले बहुबलाधरिणी नमामि तरिणी रिपुदलवरिणीं मातरम् रिपुदलवरिणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। तुमी विद्या तुमी धर्मा तुमी हरदि तुमी मर्मा त्वं हि प्रणाम सरिणी। बहुते तुमी माँ शक्ति हृदय तुमी माँ भक्ति तोमरई प्रतिमा गढ़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे मातरम। त्वं हि दुर्गा दशा प्रहारणधारिणी कमला कमला दला विहारिणी वनि विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वं नमामि कमलम् अमलम् अतुलं सुजलं सुफलं मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। श्यामलं सरलं सुमितं भूषितं धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। अब समझते हैं सबसे पहले प्लेइंग टाइम कितना होना चाहिए नेशनल सॉन्ग का। नेशनल सॉन्ग का मिनिमम प्लेइंग टाइम होना चाहिए जो एग्जैक्ट है 3 मिनट्स और 10 सेकेंड्स का होना चाहिए। प्लेइंग ऑफ द नेशनल सॉन्ग, द ऑफिशियल वर्जन ऑफ द नेशनल सॉन्ग शैल बी प्लेड ऑन द फॉलोइंग occasions: civil investitures, on the arrival of president and at formal state functions and other functions organized by the government, and on his departure from such functions. Immediately before and after the president addresses the nation over all India radio and television, on arrival of governor, lieutenant governor and formal state functions within his state union territory, and on his departure from such functions, when the national flag is brought on parade। 5 जगह होती है यहाँ पे हम लोग सॉन्ग ये लगा सकते हैं। दूसरा पॉइंट, द नेशनल सॉन्ग शैल बी प्लेड ऑन एनी अदर ओकेजन फॉर विच स्पेशल ऑर्डर्स आर इशूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। When the national song is played by a band, the song will be preceded by a roll of drums to assist the audience to know what the national song is going to be played, unless there is some other specific indication that the national song is about to be played. As for example, when fanfares are sounded before the national song is played, the duration of the roll in terms of marching drill and will be 7 paces in slow march. The roll will start slowly, ascend to as loud a volume as possible, and then gradually decreases to original softness. but remaining audible until the seventh beat. One beat rest will then be observed before commencing the national song. Mass singing of the national song अब हम लोग देखने आ रहे हैं. The official version of the national song shall be played accompanied by mass singing on following occasions: on the unfurling of the national flag, on cultural occasions or ceremonial functions other than parades. This could be arranged by having a choir of adequate size, suitably stationed, which would be trained to coordinate its singing with the band, etc. There should be an adequate public audition system so that the gathering in the various enclosures can sing in unison with the choir. Printed lyrics of the official version of the national song may be circulated among the participants wherever required. On arrival of the president at any government or public function, but excluding formal state functions, and also immediately before his departure from such functions. On all occasions when the national song is sung, the official version shall be recited accompanied by the mass singing. Number third point. The national song may be sung on the occasions which, although not restricted ceremonial, are nevertheless invested with significance because of the presence of ministers, etc. The singing of the national song on such occasions, with or without accompanied of instruments accompanied by the mass singing, is desirable. Fourth point, it is not possible to give an exhaustive list of occasions on which the singing, as distinct from playing, of official version of the national song can be permitted, but there is no objection to the singing of the national song accompanied by the mass singing, so long as it is done with due respect as a salutation to the motherland and proper decorum is maintained. In all schools, the day's work may begin with the community singing of the national song. School authorities should make adequate provision in their programs for popularizing the singing of the national song, national anthem, and promoting respect for the national flag among students. अब लास्ट में आते हैं हम लोग जनरल पॉइंट्स के ऊपर. Whenever the official version of the national song is sung on or played, the audience shall stand to attention. However, when in the course of a newsreel or documentary the national song is played as a part of the film, it is not expected of the audience to stand. Standing is bound to interrupt the exhibition of the film and would create disorder and confusion rather than add to the dignity of the national song. When the national song and the national anthem are sung or played, the national song will be sung or played first. ये सब पॉइंट. चलिए ठीक, थैंक यू.